Brand new.
Say I'm proud of you. You're gonna have bumps and obstacles along the way. Just learn from your mistakes and keep going.
Hey y'all, and welcome to Styles by Honey. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and don't forget to tap that bell so you don't miss any notifications. And if you're a returning subscriber, you already know you lit. Welcome back to my channel. Okay, so today I'll be reviewing and installing this finger wave human hair wig that I got from YOLANFAIRY on Amazon. This is their finger ocean wave pixie cut wig, short wigs color 30, Brazilian human hair wigs for black women, full machine wigs, non-Remy. And this wig was $18.99. They also have some more colors available. I'll put more hair information and a link to purchase in my description box below if you're interested. Now, in the Amazon packaging, it came inside of this little pink drawstring bag. It had a wig cap, some cute little pink makeup brushes, and then it had the wig. Now, this wig had no smell, hardly any shedding, but let's get into the cap construction. It had like 2 combs to the top, 1 comb to the back with adjustable straps. This is a human hair wig, so you can apply heat to it, products and all of that good stuff, and go underneath the dryer. Alright, so now let's get into the install of this wig. Now, I wanted this wig to lay really flat, so I did quite a few braids, and before I did my braids, I went ahead and detangled my hair. I wet it, comb it, and then put some of my Honey Butter Babe natural hair butter. I'll put all the products I'm using in the description box below if you're interested. And y'all know I'm tenor, so yeah, I used the natural hair butter and some water on my hair so that I could detangle it out before I blow it out. And the braid on is pretty self-explanatory. I just did a lot of braids, little small braids, so that the wig could lay really, really flat on my head. Alright, so I ended up with 12 straight back braids. And now that the braid down is done, I'm going to go ahead and put on the wig. Now, I kind of already knew how this wig was going to look on me because I had a wig like this before, except it was synthetic. And I cut and like styled it a different way. But this wig, I'm going to go ahead and do the finger waves that's supposed to be. I got my Tropical Roots foam, and yeah, I'm just doing some finger waves. Alright, and when I'm done molding it, I'm gonna go ahead and blow dry it. Now you could put a black strip down and go underneath the dryer, but I was in a rush, so I just used my blow dryer. I didn't put that much foam on it, so. And this is the finished look. It's pretty cute, you know. Big shout out to YOLANFAIRY on Amazon for this short finger wave wig, and a big shout out to you for supporting Styles by Honey. I love y'all so much. Mwah.